Uh, Hello everyone, this is Harshita Sahu and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you're feeling like very alone, if you're feeling very lonely, that no one understands me, I don't know what is going on, means people just ignore me. So, if you're feeling like this, then this video, I don't know, but I started this channel to document my invitation. But the thing is that our plans are different and God's plans are different. I'm getting ideas like, no, I have to make a video on like this type of topics. Means this was like a message that I had to deliver constantly from yesterday. Right. And moreover, when I was validating, I was constantly getting this thought, no, you have to make this. It means I just woke up today and no, first of all, I have to make this video. Otherwise, I have been feeling restless जब तक मैं ये वीडियो नहीं बना लूं. It's like an intuition that no, I have to make this video and needs this video and it will reach. So, अक्कर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अकेला अकेला लग रहा है. फिर ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अपनी सिचुएशन अगर किसी को बताने जा रही हूँ. So, he or she is not understanding my situation. In fact, अगर किसी जगह जा रहे हैं तो people are just ignoring or if uh, they talk very good to you but comes to like inviting you at that place they lag behind. कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो मैंने खुद भी एक्सपीरियंस की है लाइफ में. Means since childhood uh, till I understood my will, I had been dealing with these kind of problems. Is there something wrong with me? Like people are just ignoring me, or they are just leaving me behind, or I'm dealing with a lot of toxic people, and then they just abandon me, left me behind. What is going on? What is going on? It's not understandable. So the thing is, if you're feeling like this very much, uh, then you are not destined for this. You're destined for something. Means it is creating an illusion in your mind that there's probably something wrong with me that these people are not considering me. But it's not their fault. It's also not your fault. Universe is trying to make you realize that you are destined for something big, something different. That's why not everyone deserves you. Not everyone deserves your company. Okay, feeling like very much betrayed by people around you, or if you are trying to explain them, but they are not understanding. So it is something which you have to overcome by yourself. You have to understand your value. You have to develop that self-respect, that self-love. That even if someone like ignore you, then also you think that no, I'm like I'm for something. I'm I'm for something big. मतलब इससे कुछ अच्छा, इससे बहुत अच्छा मेरे लिए लिखा गया है. That's why I am not like that. But the question arises, but why these kind of things happen? And when will my people arrive? When will I will get something? So before something hard to change, you have to change. Means nothing is nothing is permanent. Everything has to change. Everything is transient, and the change is always for the good. The journey might look painful, but we say ना जो final जो path जहाँ पे हमारा destination, that is very good. Before, so before going to that destination, like हम अगर कहीं mountain मतलब हिल स्टेशन में भी अगर घूमने जाए, अगर मतलब इतनी सुंदर जगह होती है, मतलब बहुत सुंदर से पहाड़, पेड़ पौधे, स्नो बर्फ। लेकिन उस डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचने के लिए भी कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। मतलब जो रास्ते भी होते हैं वो भी कितने टेढ़े मेढ़े, दे आर यू जस्ट, तुम्हारी अगर गाड़ी स्लिप, तो you know what I'm talking about. How is the journey? It's very complicated, no? But the destination is just very beautiful. It's not like these people came for no reason. See, nothing happens for without reason. Nothing happens without reason. If you realize it now, then शायद तुम्हें अभी वो चीज समझ में आ रही हो. But later on, when you will analyze the things, then you will realize कि why it happened. Nothing. It happened for a reason and for something good. People came into the world to teach you something, to get you that life lessons. No, to get to that higher self, to get to that personality which you have to be, means it is like which you have to be. There's no other option. You have to be on that path. Means there are no other options. You have to become that personality. Otherwise, it will be a slow journey or it will be a fast journey. बट यूनिवर्स तुम्हें कहीं ना कहीं से धक्के लगाएगा कि तुम्हें फिर तक पहुंचना है, बिकॉज मे बी हैव सम पर्पस इन लाइफ यू कैन सो दैट यू कैन डू इट, यू नो। जब तक हम किसी चीज से नहीं गुजर जाते, जब तक हमें वो हार्डशिप्स नहीं मिलते, जब तक हमें वो लेसन्स नहीं मिलते, until and unless we get that hardship lessons and breakthroughs but heartbreaks and a lot of things which are very painful, that it is not something to break you here, it is something to make you more and more strong. वो कहते हैं ना कि सोने को इतना चमकने के लिए भी उसको तपना पड़ता है। डायमंड पहले से डायमंड नहीं था, वो पहले कोयला था, दैट वाज अ कोल, देन उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म किया गया, मतलब उसका एलोट्रॉप, मतलब कोयला भी कार्बन है एंड डायमंड भी कार्बन है, बट transformation you see. You know, don't blame your situation. Don't blame the people that they don't understand me. They just give me very painful. Uh, so don't blame people that they don't understand me, or they are like they are just giving me pain and heartbreaks, or they're not considering me. They are sent by the universe to teach you something. To learn and forgive them, and say rather say thank you to them because they taught you something. I'm not saying that just go and say them thank you, but uh, अंदर वो जो हेट्रेड की भावना जो होती है ना, वो रखने से अच्छा है, क्योंकि दैट इज डिस्ट्रॉइंग मी ओनली फ्रॉम इनसाइड, दैट इज नॉट हार्मिंग दोज पीपल. इनफैक्ट रन का थर्ड लॉ है, फॉर every action there is an equal and opposite action. So if you will increase the hatred in your heart, then they will increase the hatred outside. So just forgive them from inside. Let them go. Move on from the situation. I know it's very difficult, very difficult. Until and unless I understand, means it is not, means for me, this journey of realization है, uh, when I was like in my drop कि पहले तक मैं काफी सिचुएशंस को ब्लेम किया करती थी, लोगों को ब्लेम किया करती थी कि नहीं इनकी वजह से तो आज ये सिचुएशन देखनी पड़ रही है. आई डिड नॉट सी इनसाइड माई सेल्फ कि मैंने क्या गलती की है, कि ये सिचुएशन मुझे क्या सिखाने आया है. आउटर ही देखती थी, मैं अंदर कभी नहीं झांका. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग इनसाइड, एक पॉइंट के बाद ना आपको फर्क पड़ना बंद हो जाता है कि कौन आपके बारे में क्या बोल रहा है, कौन क्या सोच रहा है, what is going on in the world, what they are doing. Even if they are going to the party and not inviting you, then also you feel like, oh, I got the time to invest on myself. That is the biggest opportunity. I got the time to invest on myself. Like I can do something like journaling, or I can just read books, or I can do skincare or self care and all. And whatever I want, whatever I love to do. If you love to do journal, so use that time. Don't remain stuck in that situation, continuously thinking, why did it that, why did this. That was not something to hurt you. भगवान जी कभी तुम्हें hurt नहीं करना चाहते. If you are feeling like you are getting hurt, then something there is to teach you. That if you want to come out of this situation, you have to spend time with yourself. You have to understand yourself. The problem never remains outside. It is the reflection, the problem of our inside. That we are not understanding ourselves. We are not valuing ourselves. We are just going and disrespecting ourselves in front of everyone by you're destined for something that not everyone deserve you. You are being prepared for that place. So अगर अभी तक नहीं पता था और अब पता चल गया and you have been continuously being sad till that time तुम्हें ये नहीं पता चल कि क्यों इतना अकेलापन लग रहा है why I'm feeling a lot of fear why even you आसपास इतने सारे लोग बट मेरी किसी के साथ सिंक्रोनिसिटी नहीं बैठ रही है. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी मच lonely and I'm feeling very much alone. If you're there to attend a function and you're feeling like no, I have to go home, I'm not feeling good. I want to spend time alone. You need to spend time alone. You need to work on yourself. You need to maybe you can meditate, you can do journaling. And I had made a playlist in my meditation. You can just go and मैंने काफी मेडिटेशन सर्च किए और जो मुझे बेस्ट लगा वो मैंने वहाँ मीन्स meditation is not like you have to sit at one place and you have to resist the thought. No. Meditation is something like you are doing your enough. You are purifying yourself from the inside. This I have made there is self healing, heart chakra healing meditation. There is letting go meditation, letting go ego, fear, anger. There is there is forgiveness meditation, there is aura cleansing meditation, and a lot of meditation things. There is a vast diversity of meditation. You can just go and search on the YouTube uh, for that topic, and you will get the video. You will surely get the video. Now, because you know that why you are alone, okay, then start staying happy. Because until and unless you will increase your vibration, जब तक तुम खुश रहना नहीं सीखो तब तक वो चीज़ें भी अट्रैक्ट नहीं होंगी फॉर द आउटर हैप्पीनेस कि मैं भी शायद मैं इस पर्सन से बात कर लेती हूँ. देन दिस इज समथिंग लाइक यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर आउटर हैप्पीनेस, आउटर सेटिस्फैक्शन. यू आर नॉट वर्किंग ऑन योरसेल्फ. High time, if you have not been knowing, you have came to know. You have came to know, and it's time to take the action. You are not alone. Nobody is alone because if we are living in this world, देयर आर प्लेसेस जहाँ पे हम भी नहीं जा सकते बट स्टिल वो प्लेसेस चल रही है नो जैसे बहुत सारे डार्क मतलब ऐसे फॉरेस्ट होते हैं जहाँ पे हम इंसान नहीं जा पाते वी ह्यूमंस कांट गो बट स्टिल वो प्लेसेस दे आर फ्लरिशिंग different creatures different animals there are new species are being found and beautiful flowers are blooming how this is ये कैसे हो रहा है इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्स है अगर उसमें हमारा और एक छोटा सा जस्ट एक छोटा चंक जैसा उसके बाहर क्या है हम अपने सोलर सिस्टम को भी इतने अच्छे से नहीं जानते इवन जो हमारे बगल में जो प्लेनेट है मार्स वी हैड बीन आल्सो रिसर्चिंग ऑन दैट प्लेनेट फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग सो इतनी सारी चीजें जो हमें नहीं पता कैसे हो रही कैसे चल रही कोई तो हायर पावर नहीं है some higher power might be there which is controlling everything that might be standing beside you जो अपने अंदर से एक आवाज आती है ना कि कभी अगर कोई गलत काम कर रहे हैं तो अंदर से पहले से ही आवाज आती है कि नहीं बेटा ये मत कर वरना इसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस रहेंगे वो अंदर से पहले से ही एक आवाज आ जाती है तो वो क्या आवाज है वो कहाँ से आ रही है इज फ्रॉम सम that is from some higher self now communicating with you. So you are never alone. You are always supported and guided by you. You believe or not, then there are many people. जिनको पहले ये चीज़ का विश्वास नहीं था। बट लाइक आई टेल यू ना दैट कल कल ही आई वाज टॉकिंग टू माय सिस्टर, it was just interesting, and she just told me about her accident, that how it happened. Means she had been in control, her scooty had been in control, very much control. I have seen her drive, she drives, and जो व्हीकल है ना, जो भी स्कूटी वगैरह है वो बहुत अच्छे से उनके कंट्रोल में रहता है। एंड लाइक समथिंग शेक अचानक से हुई, एंड शी फेल, और इधर से एक ट्रक आ रही थी। यूजुअली यही होता है कि ट्रक वाले, क्योंकि उसका स्ट्रक्चर ही ऐसा होता है कि दिखता नहीं है कि जस्ट उसके नीचे है, और उसको रुकने में भी काफी टाइम लगता है ट्रक। बट द थिंग इज द ट्रक जस्ट स्टॉप इन फ्रंट ऑफ, एंड शी वाज सेफ। मीन्स ये कितनी बड़ी बात है ना। मीन्स यू आर जस्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ दैट, दैट वाज नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड। थिंग्स हैपन, some or the other day you have to realize this। अभी नहीं तो कभी और ज़रूर, बट अगर भगवान जी रियलाइज़ करवाना चाहते हैं, तो अभी नहीं तो कभी और ज़रूर रियलाइज़ हो जाएगा। तुम उसको जितना डिले करोगे, जितना वो तुम्हारे लिए पेनफुल होगा, उतना यूनिवर्स तुम्हें धक्के देगी कि यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, तुम नहीं समझ रहे हो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो दैट वाज़ ऑल फॉर दिस। लेट मी नो what all things are like, what what next video you think? Comment down here. Are you someone who has been dealing with this for a long, and अब जाके उसको पता चल रहा कि क्यों हो रहा है ये, अगर कुछ और you are stuck or you just want कि फिर this आगे, so you can comment down below, and if I know I know the solution, then I will definitely help you out. Because what I think ना कि of course competition है, but you can earn, you can earn money, but the thing is about the mental peace। आज के समय में ये हर किसी के पास नहीं। this this gift is not with everyone else, not everyone understands this situation, not everyone is going through the situation like this। So I thought if I had been gifted with this, it's a god gift। What I think is I feel a lot of good, means जब तक ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया ना, अंदर से एक बहुत रेस्टलेस वाली फीलिंग आ रहा है। जैसे ही मैं उठी, आई वाज जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी, और उतने में ही मुझे गाइडेंस, मतलब द वर्ड्स वर कमिंग लाइक नो, दिस थॉट्स वर कमिंग, एंड आई हैड टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस, बट आई हैड टू गो टू द कॉलेज बिकॉज अटेंडेंस जरूरी है, क्या करें, बिकॉज अटेंडेंस जरूरी है। एमबीबीएस में अटेंडेंस इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट, and I had to go for that। I had to go to the college. And after that, when I came, I had been feeling very drained, so I did not record. I had to study also. I was like, where should I came back of the college to record this video so that I should not get disturbed by anyone else, or I would not disturb anyone else. So this was for all, and so take care, and you can like the video.